Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious Namkeen rolled oats. We'll start by gathering a few simple ingredients, like 1 cup of rolled oats and 2 tablespoons of oil. Then, I'll guide you through the easy process of transforming them into a savory and healthy snack. You'll also learn how to personalize this recipe with your favorite spices, making it perfect for any time of day. First, let's get those oats perfectly roasted. Heat 2 tablespoons of oil in a pan over a medium flame. Once warm, add 1 cup of rolled oats. Now, the key here is to stir them continuously for about 5 to 7 minutes. You'll know they're ready when they achieve a lovely light golden brown color and release a wonderful, nutty aroma. This step ensures a fantastic texture for our namkeen. Next, we'll build our flavor base. In the same pan, add 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds and 1/4 teaspoon of asafoetida. Let them splutter for a few seconds. Then, introduce 1/4 cup of finely chopped onions and 1/4 cup of your favorite mixed vegetables. Sauté these ingredients for about 3 to 5 minutes until the vegetables are tender crisp. This adds a delightful crunch and savory depth. Finally, let's bring it all together. Return the perfectly roasted oats to the pan with our aromatic sautéed spices and vegetables. Give everything a good mix to combine all those wonderful flavors. Season with salt to your liking and add 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder for color and a hint of earthiness. Serve your warm, savory namkeen rolled oats immediately as a wholesome and satisfying snack. Enjoy!
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.